Hello and welcome to a small workshop in Finland. We have got winter here now and it's freezing cold. Was like minus 15 here. So we have around 3 months of freezing temperatures here in Finland right now. And I want to insulate my workshop doors a little bit more. Uh, so you have seen these doors many times when I'm driving through the door with the small mini loader here. They are really poorly insulated and I want to put these fin foam boards. It's 30 millimeter thick and that's more than 1 inch. Yeah. So you can see the thickness here, it's nothing. So I really want to improve the insulation of these doors. And yeah, and you see this old tarp here, it's for preventing cold air to come in when you're opening the doors. So, and we have that also there. But I want to get rid of that and put up these. I want to screw them on with screws like this directly to the doors. And I have these 6 millimeter washers that I'm going to put on the screws like that. But first, let's get rid of this scrap and those holders and this tarp. Okay, let's get rid of that tarp. No. Okay, that's cleared now. Yeah, you see sun is shining through the doors. So I think this will really improve some insulation and also it will be brighter here in this corner. As you see, they are black and these boards, they are white. So I think it will do a huge change here. No. I'm curious to try out a board here, see how it looks. Okay, 1 hour later, I made this locking thing that I'm going to install on the door there. So let's do that. Okay guys, now it is done. Or I have the small door yet to do, but I won't video that to you. But yeah, I think this came out great, and it's already much lighter in here. So that's good. Yeah, and as you see, I will do something. Can see the gap there. So I don't know yet how I going to lock that. This door is just locked from here. And then I made this. So take this with your hand. So that way. So locking that pin there with this handle. Yeah. Yeah, this was it for this time, I think. I don't have so much to say here. It's New Year's Eve, and I gotta go home and eat some snacks, some chips, and maybe drink some sparkling water or something. Yeah, but it's really cold now, so I'm glad that I got these installed. Yeah, all in all, the price for these insulation sheets, it was almost 200 euros, and there's 10 in one package, and I bought two. Insulation. So for this redneck insulation solution, it was $200. And I have still much left to do that second door there. So, but I won't show that on camera. It's too boring. Guys, please comment down below what you think about the door, and please hype and like the video, and Happy New Year to everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.